This surprising collaboration is a part of a two-pair project with the renowned beverage firm, which has been teased for the past year. The right and left shoes in a previously released version had mismatched color blocking, a tribute to the different Kool-Aid flavors made by the legendary company. In the next Ja2, the ever-popular tropical punch flavor, which includes cherries, grapes, oranges, and other fruits, will serve as the inspiration for the pink and red gradient. In order to mimic the Kool-Aid Man colliding with the shoe, the second Nike basketball product, like its co-protagonist, has graphics on the profiles that resemble broken walls. Adjacent to the mouths are logos of the red anthropomorphic pitcher, and condensation droplets conjure images of cool cups of the beverage. Nike.com will begin selling pairs of the Ja2 Tropical Punch on Tuesday, July 1.